What is a vehicle service contract? A vehicle service contract steps in when the manufacturer's warranty is up to make sure that you don't have any expensive out-of-pocket costs that fall on you as the customer. After the manufacturer's warranty ends, a vehicle service contract steps in to make sure that you're covered under any mechanical or electrical failure. Along with covering mechanical and electrical failures, our VSCs also cover roadside assistance, rental reimbursement, towing reimbursement, and also rental and food accommodations if you're outside of 150 miles of your home. Even though Toyota has a great reputation for reliability and durability, nobody really knows when a car is going to have an issue. But we do know that if you have a VSC, you won't be responsible for any large out-of-pocket costs. If you have any questions about a vehicle service contract, contact us here at Wilsonville Toyota and we'll be happy to walk you through it.